Okay, so we will answer this one. Simplify the quantity of 3x raised to the power of negative 2 over the quantity x cubed, the quantity raised to the power of negative 1. So, una, simplify muna natin yan. So, 3 raised to the power of negative 2 times x raised to the power of negative 2 over. Then, since negative exponent, so that is x over x cubed. Then equals, simplify natin to. So, negative exponent yan. So, 1 over 3 raised to the power of 2 times 1 over x squared. Then, reciprocal natin yan. So, that is x cubed over 1. So, equals, multiply natin yung numerator. So, that is x cubed over, so, simplify natin to. So, that is 9. Then, x squared times 1. So, 9x squared pa rin. So, since cube ito, then squared. So, we have to subtract the exponent. So, x raised to the power of 3 minus 2 over 9. Okay? So, equals, x na lang yung naiwan sa numerator, then 9 yung sa denominator. So, yung final answer natin, x over 9. Sa choices, letter D is the correct answer.